Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the very first of my advent calendars for 2023 to unbox, and it is the Boots Macmillan 24 Doors of Joy advent calendar. I'm going to be opening up every single door, showing you what's inside, and then give you my final thoughts at the end. I did buy it last year, but I did wait a while. It went on sale about a month or two after the release. I got it at a discounted price. I can't remember exactly what I paid for, but I'll pop it up on the screen. I thought it's a really good advent calendar for that price. It's £90. It is on the higher end of advent calendars that are available on the Boots website. I had a load of Boots credits, so this cost me £60. Once I've unboxed it, seen everything's inside, then I'll have an idea whether this calendar is worth it or not. If you're interested in this calendar for yourself, then as always you'll find details of it down below in my description, as well as my advent calendar playlist and all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there. For every calendar sold, £2 goes to the Macmillan charity. I do think that could be up though. £2, £90 advent calendar. I do think at least £5, don't you think? I think so. But yeah, let's go on to showing you then what's inside. This is what it looks like. It's not very heavy, so I'm able to hold it okay. So starting off, day number 1, we've got Boots' own brand. This is from the Glow range. Moisturizing cream, soothes and hydrates. And there's 50 mils there. I haven't tried anything from this range. Our Boots Glow lightweight moisturizing cream hydrates, brightens and smooths skin, giving a glowing complexion to prep skin for the day ahead.
I don't know that.
I didn't ask you. I'm seriously getting worried about my Alexa. This has come out nice and thick. More like a body cream. That's what it feels like on my skin. Nice natural smell. Nothing, no perfume. Just a nice natural skincare smell. But it feels nice in my hand. If any of you've tried any of the products from the Glow range, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. So yeah, so I've got a moisturising cream there. Day number 2 up here. These nails are really coming in handy. They're quite spiky. Stiletto nails. I must remember to do that for next month. It just makes opening advent calendars a lot easier. We got a number 7. This is a Stay Perfect eye pencil in black. Yeah. An eyeliner. Yeah, nice. Does it smoke out great? Yeah. Yeah, a nice basic eyeliner, but always handy. Day number 3, up here. Oh, I love this. I had this in last year's advent calendar. I'm sure it's last year's. Earle Eye Bright Soothing Eye Lotion. Oh, it just feels amazing on the eyes. Just perks them up and freshens them. It gently cleanses and revitalizes tired, puffy looking eyes with naturally active ingredients, eye bright cornflower, witch hazel and aloe vera, and cruelty free. And there's 50 mils here. Eye Bright Soothing Eye Lotion. So even though I had that last year, I'm really happy to have it again because it's gorgeous. Number 4 down here. I've got an eyeliner. This is Sleek Fierce Felt eyeliner. I'll just take the wrapping off. I wish I had a photographic memory. That would be so amazing. Being able to remember everything that was inside all the advent calendars I opened previously, so I'm able to compare properly. Unfortunately not. There you go. My hands just going to be full of makeup. Oh, that's nice. It's got a really nice nib to it. I'm able to get a really fine line. It's very pigmented as well. Got a black liquid eyeliner. Day number 5. Got a number 7. This is Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Day Cream with a 5-star UVA rating and SPF 15, suitable for sensitive skin. This is a nice day cream. I've tried this a few times. The only thing is that factor 15 is really low. It depends on what you prefer, but if it's 20 or even better 30 or 50, I tend to apply separate SPF on my skin anyway. Nice little cream there, handy size. Take on holiday, but with extra SPF on top. What are we? Number 6. Have you noticed that advent calendars are releasing a lot earlier this year? Well, it feels like, at least this one, and I've got a few other Boots ones as well, I'm sure we weren't able to get them until well into September. And lots of early wait lists and pre-orders. Yeah, I wonder what the theory is behind that. We got a night cream. Number 7, Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Night Cream, suitable for sensitive skins, and 25 mils. So nice if you want to have like a bit of a skincare routine with the same brand. So we've got a day cream and a night cream there. Number 7, I'm not losing track of the numbers just yet. Ooh, we've got something by Ted Baker. They usually smell gorgeous. This is a violet and bergamot body lotion, 50 mils. I have got a Ted Baker advent calendar waiting to unbox. It's a body lotion. Oh, that's just beautiful. It's such a gorgeous smell. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. It feels nice as well. So we got a body lotion by Ted Baker. Day number 8 up here. We got some, I was going to say curling irons. Not curling irons. We've got some eyelash curlers. Oh look, it's got a little rope to keep it together. Is this a particular brand? No, I can't see any brand. That is a nice one. I say they're nice. They all look the flipping same, don't they? They all do the same as well. It feels more mechanical. I've already got a few eyelash curlers already, so this will go to the collection, but I'm more likely to pick these up because I just like the way, I don't know, there's something about them. Number 9. Number 7, Beautiful Skin Softening Foot Scrub. Gently exfoliates to reveal soft, smoother skin. 75 mils here. I'm sure we had this last year. I'm sure we have. It rings a bell. Give your feet the attention they deserve with this indulgent foot scrub. Formulated to gently exfoliate, revealing softer, smoother and revitalised skin. Day number 10, I've got a mask. This is a Moisturizing Face Mask by Champneys Health Spa. Our Champneys Treatments collection features hero products used by spa therapists at our iconic health resorts. Recreate the Champneys experience at home to help bring you back to your best. Oh. Does it feel, I'm trying to feel if it feels like there's a sheet mask. Yeah, it is. It's a sheet mask in there. Yeah, I thought it could be just cream that I just shove on my face, but it's not. It's actually a mask. These specially formulated plastic-free and single-use moisturizing face masks offer a convenient but effective way to leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Day number 11, up here, we got a muslin cloth by Liz Earle. That only means one thing. We're going to get the cleanser. We're going to get the hot cloth cleanser, aren't we? They should have put this together though. I'm trying to imagine opening this calendar in December, day by day. Day number 11, a cloth. It should have been with the cleanser really, I think. So let's see if day number 12 is the cleanser. And it is. Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. This is really nice. Yeah, I've been using this on and off for years. It's just a really nice deep clean on my face. It says here, it gently exfoliates for radiant, clearer looking skin, natural ingredients and cruelty free, and 30 mils. So there's that. Day number 13 up here. Ooh, a lip and cheek tint by number 7. And this is shade Dusk Pink. Let's try it out. These lip and cheek tints, you only need a tiny, tiny bit. So this little tube will last for a long, long time. Oh, looking on the viewfinder, that looks really nice. That does look nice. Yeah, no, that's nice. It's quite a subtle blush. I tend to not use these lip and cheek tints on my lips, but on my cheeks I do. Day number 14, over here. Oh, mango lip butter. This is from Boots brand extracts. Oh, it reminds me of the Body Shop lip balms. Oh, mango. Oh, I love fruit. Okay. Oh, see, problems with having long nails and little pots. Can't get in there without getting my nails in there. If I just take the top there, just rub it on my hand. No, it's getting blended in with a flipping Ted Baker body cream. I need to do it the other side. It's not as fruity as I was expecting. You can smell mango, but I've smelt fruitier lip balms in the past. Got a lip balm. Day number 15 up here. Ooh, something from Soap and Glory. I've got a Soap and Glory advent calendar to unbox as well. Ooh, let me know what you would prefer to see first, Ted Baker or Soap and Glory. So this is a Bright and Beautiful brightening sheet mask with tiger lily, lotus flower and cherry blossom. And it's to glow, to help your skin glow. My daughter absolutely loves Soap and Glory. So I'm going to be keeping a lot of the products in that advent calendar for her. And I'll be making up my own little beauty advent calendar for her nearer to Christmas. Day number 16. Is it down here? We've got Botanics Sleep Peaceful Night Pillow Mist with lavender and sweet marjoram. And there's 100 mils there. Yeah, no, that's nice. Some sleep sprays make me and my husband cough. It's like a massive coughing fit when you spray the bed. But no, this is nice. It's very subtle, actually. It's not overpoweringly lavender. You can smell it, so if you hate lavender, you won't like this. But it's not really strong. It's just a really nice, subtle smell. So yeah, we've got a pillow mist spray there. Day number 17 up here. Number 7, Protect and Perfect a Lip Care Suitable for Sensitive Skin. 10 ml. Smooth on and around your lips every morning and evening and any time they need a little extra care. I got 2 of these already. I think I had one in last year's Macmillan advent calendar and the number 7 advent calendar. So I've got a 3rd one now, so I'll pass that on to someone. There's no point keeping 3. But then saying that, if I've had the other 2 for nearly a year, maybe it's time to get rid of them. Oh my gosh. I know, I hate that. I hate getting rid of all my beauty stuff. I hate it. I want to keep everything. I forgot what number. I'm doing well so far. Normally I'm lost by now. I think 18, yeah, down here. Okay, Soap and Glory, something for your hands. Hand food, hydrating hand cream with macadamia oil and marshmallow root extract. And there's 50 mils there. Let's try this then. Let's try it a little bit in the corner there. I do like Soap and Glory. Oh, I love the smell. Yeah, it's just such an iconic, brings back memories type smell. Yeah, I do really like it. It's a hand cream. Day number 19, is it over here? Yes. And we've got an Instant Boost Skin Tonic. I had this last year as well. It's got to be this advent calendar because I didn't get the Earle advent calendar. Replenishes skin with soothing hydration to prep for your routine. Aloe vera, calendula and cucumber, and it's 50 mils there. It's nice if you want to mix and match your toners. For instance, I use a Paula's Choice, an exfoliating liquid toner. I don't use that every day. I use it 2 or 3 times a week. And then in between, I use something more gentle like this, for instance. Okay, day number 20, only a few more to go. Oh, we got a nice sized caffeine eye cream. Don't know if I had this last year or not. Doesn't ring a bell. This is from Boots' own brand, the ingredients range, and there's 15 mils there. Love the fact it's got caffeine in there to perk up my under eyes, get rid of my darkness. Yeah, it just says use night and day. So there's that. Day number 21 down here. We've got a number 7, Beautiful Skin Revitalizing Hand Polish. Leaves hands luxuriously soft and looking younger. 75 mils. Exfoliating salt crystals gently soothe the skin for hands that feel even softer for longer. Formulated with moisturizing blend of almond and grapeseed oils that leaves hands luxuriously wrapped in moisture and looking younger. I'm sure I've had this before. I love a good old scrub. I love it on my hands. Get rid of all the dry cuticles and yeah, they're really nice to use. So happy to have another one. Day number, have we used all of this now? Day number, that was 21, 22, yeah, 22. We've got Soap and Glory Righteous Butter with shea butter, vitamin E and rosehip oil. It's a body butter and there's 50 mils here. How would I describe the scent? A little bit fruity, maybe a little bit floral. I haven't got a clue. Maybe it'll give me more information in the Soap and Glory advent calendar. Who knows? Well, clearly I don't. Okay, day number 23 over here. This looks like it could be a palette. Yeah! Eye Divine eyeshadow palette, Royal Flush by Sleek. And there you go. Woo! Hold on, we've got a mirror there. Better. I've got quite a few palettes with this colour range, so I am going to pass this on to my daughter. I'm thinking my daughter would like it, but I do love that mustard. That's a little bit unusual. I do really like that. I'll have a see. There's only 24 doors, isn't it? Yeah, 24. So the last one in the advent calendar is a primer. Number 7, Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Primer. Instantly lifted and brighter looking skin, prolongs the wear of makeup, flexible formula, and there's 30 mils there. That sounds really nice. Smooth and even layer over clean moisturised skin. Leave until dry. Try a little bit on here. You're not going to see anything. Oh, it's very lightweight. It feels like a water-based like gel moisturiser. It's a little bit tacky. Not as tacky as I thought it would be. I like the fact that it claims it prolongs the wear of makeup. Definitely give it a try and see what that's like. It's, yeah, it's more like a water-based moisturiser though. If you've tried it, please let me know your thoughts. So there you go, 24 Doors of Joy. All gone. There's a lot of repeats from last year and possibly the year before. I got my first one last year, as I said at the start, at a discounted price. I do think, if I'm being honest, unless you absolutely adore every single one of these products, I would wait a little while to see if it does go on sale like it has done last year and I believe the year before as well, because I think £90 is quite pricey. If this sold for £60, which is what I basically paid for it, then I do think it's a nice advent calendar. You've got a great mix of products, but I do think £90 is a bit pricey. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? Are you going to buy it? Or are you thinking, nah, I'm going to see if it does come down in price over the next month or two and then buy it? Or are you thinking, nah, not a chance, Claire, I'm glad I watched it, I'm not going to buy it. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.